Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna be going over my website that I designed for this week. I basically went kind of based off this template that I had found. So I did kind of switch it up based on like the website proposal. So it's a little different, but I still tried to keep some things the same, like the text and all that. I used black coffee. Yeah, I believe it was black coffee. I downloaded it off the font, and I tried to keep some of the same colors, but I did switch up some stuff. But starting off, this is my main page, like the first page, that you see. Just a cool little design here with the little menu bars on the side. Second page, just another page to kind of fill in where I could add more information about the company, stuff like that. This is another like a uh, little menu area of the different things that I offer for the coffee shop that I designed, or the website. Next, got the prices and some of the stuff that you can eat there. Also a little button where you can order online. And last here, it's like the contact page, I guess, or like the address where the actual shop is located. And down here at the bottom, just the social media websites. So yeah, you can see here, this is my website. If you think there's anything that I could have added or anything that I did wrong, please let me know. And yeah, so this is my website.